To get the crying face filter on Snapchat. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So first of all, you will have to go to your Snapchat app, and then from here you have to go to your camera, of course, and then go to the icon, the smiley face icon from the right, to search for the filter. And then you will see that the filter will appear right away because it's a viral filter, or and search for crying face, just like this. And this will appear, the first lens. Click on that, and now you can do your video, your photos, whatever you want, but just by clicking on the filter. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.